Welcome to our channel. Our channel is thrilled to have you here with us today as we dive into the fascinating world of cryptocurrencies. Get ready to explore the latest trends, news, and insightful discussions that will empower you to navigate the crypto space with confidence. Join us as we unlock the potential and endless possibilities that the world of digital currencies has to offer. Let's get started. Understanding Bitcoin, basics of cryptocurrency explained. In this comprehensive video, we will delve into the fascinating world of Bitcoin, demystifying the concepts and principles that make it such a groundbreaking invention. Hi, welcome to our video which are deprived to guide you on this journey to understanding Bitcoin. Are you ready to explore the decentralized world of cryptocurrency and how it is revolutionizing finance? Let's get started. 1. What is Bitcoin? Bitcoin, the first cryptocurrency, was introduced by an anonymous person or group known as Satoshi Nakamoto. Unlike traditional currencies, Bitcoin is decentralized and operates without the need for a central authority, such as a bank or government. It relies on a technology called blockchain to ensure transparency, security, and immutability. 2. How does Bitcoin work? Bitcoin works through a peer-to-peer network, where transactions are verified by miners. These miners solve complex mathematical puzzles, securing the network and adding transactions to the blockchain. This system prevents issues like double spending and ensures the integrity of the currency. 3. What is blockchain? Blockchain is a distributed ledger that records all Bitcoin transactions. Each block contains a list of transactions, and these blocks are linked together in a chronological chain. The decentralized nature of blockchain prevents any single entity from controlling or manipulating the data, making it highly reliable. 4. How is Bitcoin created? Bitcoin is created through a process called mining. Miners compete to solve complex mathematical puzzles, and the first one to solve it successfully is rewarded with new Bitcoins. This process also verifies and secures transactions. The total supply of Bitcoin is predetermined, with a maximum limit of 21 million coins. 5. What makes Bitcoin valuable? Bitcoin's value comes from its scarcity, utility, and growing acceptance globally. Limited supply and increasing demand contribute to its value appreciation. Additionally, Bitcoin transactions are fast, secure, and can be conducted globally without intermediaries, making it an attractive alternative to traditional financial systems. 6. Bitcoin wallets and security. To store and manage Bitcoins, users utilize digital wallets. These wallets can be software-based, on computers or mobile devices, or hardware-based, physical devices. Strong cryptographic measures are employed to secure these wallets and protect them from unauthorized access or potential hacking. 7. Benefits and challenges of Bitcoin. Bitcoin offers several advantages over traditional financial systems, including low transaction fees, borderless transactions, and autonomy over user funds. However, challenges such as price volatility, regulatory concerns, and energy consumption need to be carefully considered. Conclusion. And there you have it. A simplified overview of Bitcoin and the underlying technology that powers it. I hope this video has shed some light on the basics of cryptocurrency, enabling you to engage with the world of Bitcoin more confidently. Subscribe for more educational content on cryptocurrencies. Thank you for watching and happy exploring.